About a month ago, Tina's lab invited me to share my knowledge about 3D printing with other people. And today I thought about making a tutorial video on how to get started on Bambu Studio for beginners that have no idea about slicing files and transferring them on their Bambu printer. So, let's get started with the tutorial. The first thing we need for this video is to install Bambu Studio, of course. Just go over to this site and download the right file for your operating system. You can also download it from GitHub in case you have Linux. Now, just add your MakerWorld account to the program, tap on Create New Project, and you're ready to slice your 3D models. At first, you may be thinking, what is this? What is that? It's okay. Just follow along and your brain will figure it out. First up, import a 3D model onto the slicer. You can use these tools right here to move, rotate, and scale your file. The fourth one is for placing a models phase on the build plate with accuracy so that the slicer bot doesn't get confused while slicing. So yeah, now we have our model imported to the program. But how can we create a multicolor 3MF file? Well, you've probably seen this button right here. Click it, and it will take you to a place where you can color your model. Before coloring though, make sure that you have added another color section so that the printer will recognize which color to use. You can now change the color of the section to whatever you want. So far, so good. Now we can color the model by clicking on the bucket icon. There are many tools to do it, but today I'm going to be using the one with the bucket icon. You can change the filling space by moving this thing right here. Perfect. This thing right here is the prime tower. You can disable it just like that if you don't want to waste material. You can now slice your model, and I guess that's it. Now export your file and send it to your printer via USB or SD card. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video, and until then, may the force be with you.